So the things I started with in terms of looking inside, all of those specific tactics that were identified as broken have been fixed. Doug Nolan, who you hear from, has a team, and they set about to fix them all to be able to make sure that we could, as an organization, face off as a patient-centric organization and walk the talk. So that's a huge lift. The impact of that is it's absolutely permeated all aspects of that organization, including the clinical development team, who's done everything they can to find a way to fix what their issues were, including informed consents, as an example, that you needed to have a lawyer review before you could enter into a clinical trial, it felt like. Why is that important? Going back to the business aspect of what we're doing, speed. We heard earlier from Paul the diminishing return you're seeing in the industry today. The best way to bend that curve, or that cost of capital curve, is speed. Imagine if you can take years out of the development cycle. So much of what has been done is big data. How do we model stuff out to be able to simulate development programs so that we can actually take days and years and weeks out? All good. But imagine if you can actually bend the curve by, at the end of the day, increasing accruals faster than ever before, because you've done everything you can to ensure that the patient-centric approach to accruing patients in trials is there to be able to make it as easy as possible, right? So think about that in terms of the byproduct from a business perspective. It's not only the right thing to do in terms of how we engage with our patients to deliver real value, there is absolutely a business benefit to it as well. The last thing I'll leave you with in terms of taking actions for me is the words of that patient advocacy leader. And the point there was engage authentically, engage without BS, and deliver on what you say you're going to deliver on. And then we'll be able to have a mutual partnership that helps you and helps me.